Hello everyone. We are from Group 5, and in this session, we would like to discuss about visual rhetoric advertisement. Let me introduce my theme. My name is Farisa Abdrahmania.
My name is Putri Aulia Febriani Sadat.
My name is Nabila Alvin Najwa.
My name is Naila Yahyun Fadilah.
We start our discussion. So this is our advertisement from Group 5, which is we choose from Pepsi brands. You guys can take a look first in this advertisement. So this is the first question.
Okay, the first question is, in which culture, context, historical era, country or nation, subcultural group, political climates, and what is in it originally produced? The first is historical era. This advertisement belongs to the digital and social media era, likely from the 2017 or 2020. Given its size, language, and consume insights approach. And the second is country or nation. Pepsi is an American brand with a strong presence in multiple countries, but the English language and the focus on consumer behavior, sugar is what primarily intended for a Western audience, such as the US, Canada, the UK, or Australia. Next is subcultural group. And the second question is, any information such as text or a detail of the image highlight or stress to attract your attention? Why do you think this is? The first is always take on a blue background. The press frequency Pepsi drinks are, it is large, always letter at the top, making it the first thing the viewer notice. This immediately sets up the message that the advertisement about Pepsi drinks characteristic. And then the second is the Pepsi can. The Pepsi can at the bottom right is covered in condensation, making it refreshing and appealing. Is there a visual accurate and reinforcing the brand identity. And the last is the "That's what I like" slogan. This press is placed prominently in a space publicized designs, making it feel conversational and engaged. It refines the idea that choosing Pepsi is a personal preference aligns with an exciting lifestyle.
Okay, so the third question is, what cultural values does the image evoke? This advertisement reflects a strong cultural value, especially in terms of modernity, freedom, and urban lifestyle. It contains the spirit of freedom and the energy of the younger generation, encouraging individuals to celebrate themselves without social boundaries. And then the image is reinforced the values based on the picture that we can see. Next. And then what role is played by the words that accompany the image? The first is the tagline, "That's what I like," on the advertisement clarifies the message by positioning Pepsi as a personal choice, something that viewers preference and desires. And the tagline also reinforce the emotional message portrayed in the visual, which often features people in fun, spontaneous, and confident moments. Next.
And the next question is, what overall impression or feeling does the image create in you? The image creates a fun, energetic, energetic and lively impression. It suggests that frequent Pepsi drinkers are outgoing, enthusiastic, and enjoy entertainment, social events, and indulgence. The use of vibrant blue, dynamic graphics, and playful text enhance this feeling of excitement and engagement. And the next question is, what positive or negative feelings about individuals or ideas does the image intend to evoke in its viewers? The image intends to evoke positive feelings about Pepsi drinkers by portraying them as fun-loving, spontaneous, and socially active individuals. It associates Pepsi with enjoyable activities like karaoke, sports, and binge watching, reinforcing the idea that drinking Pepsi enhances this experience. There are no overtly negative connotations, but it subtly suggests that those who don't drink Pepsi might be less adventurous or outgoing.
So this is the question number 7. What is your impression of the creator of this image? I think the creators of this image were Pepsi marketing team, whose the goal was to portray the brand as an energetic and fun in the vibe. And Pepsi dynamic design and distinctive colors are important points, while statistics show that Pepsi drinkers are active and social. And then the message strengthen the brand's branding. Next. So we move to question number 8. Overall, do you think that this image makes an effective argument? Why or why not? So this image, I think, is effective as a marketing tool, but not as a strong argument based on logic or evidence. These ads use eye-catching visual, Pepsi signature colors, and humorous statistics to associate the brand with a fun, social, and energetic lifestyle. If we look on the advertisement in the first slide, there is less of acumen or data, logic, and evidence, but the advertisement focus on the was that persuasive words and visual vibe, like a Pepsi vibe with the blue colors, and so on. And then, however, these claims lack concrete evidence or clear sources, making them more a persuasive marketing tactic than a factual argument. This is effective. This its effectiveness, the Pepsi advertisement effectiveness, depends on the audience. Those who like Pepsi lively social image might find it appealing or interesting, while more skeptical viewers or just not the Pepsi fans might see it as a less marketing tactics. So, that's all the discussion that we delivered to you guys from 1 until 8 question. And thank you, everyone.